Hi guys, welcome to Learning Electronics Repair. And today, just a short announcement, something that I never dreamt would happen when I started this channel 2 years or so ago, but it has done. So, 15 months ago, I made a special video and said thank you guys for 10k subs. And Carlos from Retro Upgrade made me a special little trophy, which I still have now, sits on top of my microscope. So, today, 15 months later, we can say 10 times that, and we have 100k subscribers. And that's just something I never ever expected. So thank you very much, you guys. You're the ones who've done that, not me. You're the ones who clicked subscribe and got LER to where it is today. And that's without me begging or asking or cajoling people into hitting the subscribe button. I've never done that. You know I've never done that. I don't flash things up on the screen saying hit the button. I don't ask people to subscribe to the channel. I never have. That's partly because A, I really don't like that sort of thing when people do this asking me to subscribe to their channel. And B, I actually don't believe it works. So I wanted to prove, can you build a channel to a large size in a reasonable time without doing that? And I think today I have to say, I proved it. But there again, I can't say how much sooner we would have been having this announcement if I'd just gone along with what everybody else thinks. Yeah, so that's it. Anyway, today is just a day for an announcement and for a bit of fun. So no repairs today, nothing technical, but what I do have is some outtakes I've collected over the last 6 months or thereabouts. Hopefully there will be a few funny bits in here. I'm not sure there's anything spectacular or anything exploding, but I haven't edited them together just yet while making this announcement, and I can't remember exactly what was in there. So we will see. Anyway, guys, enjoy, and I'll see you all at the end of the outtakes. So, let's spin this round. Software. Yeah. And then we'll try and fix this from hardware. Okay. Well, is it recording? Yeah, what's happened to a bloody camera again? Huh? One. Okay. So it works. Okay. Okay. Right, so after all that messing around, I think this is actually working now. It's 60 frames a second. Seems to be working really well. Got to try the other Logitech camera, but that's pretty good actually. Okay, I think we might have got somewhere at last. 1, 2, ORC. Hi guys. Hi guys. Yeah. Hi guys. Yeah.
Let me frame it. We can see. Yeah, I'm going to press the frame and then zoom out. Let's see, frame. No.
Well, we got the whole width.
Yeah, entire thing fits on.
Perfect. Okay. So you're going to say okay, so we're ready to go.
Okay, so I just framed the piece and we're ready to go. We're going to turn on the air assist. Richard, please.
See?
It's over.
It's noisy.
Noisy, and it's, but it's effective, so it's worth it.
Okay.
So let's see if this works, and then we have to see if my design was good. But that's another case. So let's start.
It's overhead on. Yeah.
So this looks good.
Yeah, I can see it making like little castellations.
Yeah.
So is it fair to say with this? Yeah. You need to.
So it's the corner.
The
okay.
corner.
So it failed. It fell miserably again. Let's start over.
So, connect the ground. Signal. Nothing. I'm not sure I'm making a good contact. I can't hear either of them at the moment. Okay. Oh, press the button, yeah. Okay, so ground. Just press the button. Yeah, that one's working but faint. This one, not. Okay, let's open it up. Hi guys, Hi guys, welcome to Learn Electronics Repair. OR. C. OR. C. 1, 2. Hi guys, welcome to Learn Electronics Repair. I get quite a few jobs like this coming to the workshop. So these are from the local phone repair guy, Handy Andy, who says his eyes are not up to this sort of work these days. So he brings me boards like this, which has a damaged or broken USB-C connector. Or at least he tells me it's damaged, yeah. OR, C. OR, C. OR. See. Hi guys, welcome to Learn Electronics Repair. Let's try some laptop screws. So I'll try and find a suitable size screw hole. Let's try some laptop screws. So I'll see if I can find a suitable size bit. And that's a bit small, I think. Try the larger one. Yeah, that fits nicely. Okay, let's see how it handles these. So, quick insert. I'll put it down to the lower torque setting and let's see what happens. I'll put this down to the lower torque setting and let's see what happens. Yeah, it handled that nice and easily. Okay. Let's go for the medium setting. I'll try another one. So this one. Okay, get a good grip on it because this does have quite a lot of torque. I have noticed. You see how easily it twists out of my hand. You see how easily it twisted out of my hand, so I'll get a good grip on this. Yep. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. Okay. OR. C. He gets you as well. He gets Julie. On the outtake. OR. C. I got this from like local musicians when they tune you up when they set it up in the bar, and they go OR. C.
There's everything in there. There's a low part, there's a high part.
Yeah, where we go 1, 2, 1, 2, OR, C. The power rails first then. So we have power on pin 7. So these go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 7 and then pin 13. All they connected together. Well, this is pin 9, 11, 13, 15. Sorry, it's 30. I'll do that bit again. First, let's look at the different methods we may find of marking the value of components, resistors and capacitors in particular. With resistors, the value of a resistor is specified in ohms. With resistors, the value of the components is specified in ohms. Now we can get resistors. With resistors, we specify the value in ohms. This ATX case is a little bit unusual. The side panel actually comes off the machine with 2 springy metal clips basically. But the way the motherboard's attached is using these things. These are not screws, you can't turn these. It's not like something you screw or turn around, okay? They're like some sort of clips. If we get something underneath. This is my other Aneng meter. Let's see. These fit. Yeah, they do fit, okay. Although you can see that these are like a mismatched pair that I have in here anyway. So here's a 10 nanofarad. Let's see how this one looks to it. What normally happens with multimeters and capacitance range, the larger the capacitance, the longer it takes to read. Here's a 1 nanofarad, so let's start with this one.
You count me in?
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hi guys. How are you doing today? I have to forget that. Was that again? I'm going welcome to that twice. You better.
Do I make you nervous?
No. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Hi guys. Didn't synchronise. We'll do it together. 3, 2, 1. Hi guys. You're too late.
I can do that.
This will be an outtake. Oh, and that reminded me, the bird thing. We can use that as an outtake as well.
This is a horrible outtake.
It'll make a good outtake. Yeah. So we'll 3, 2, 1 a second.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Hi guys. Welcome to Learn Electronics Repair. And here we are at the other end of that. I hope it was enjoyable. Hope you found something funny at least. And I'd like to say once again, thank you very much. Thank you guys. Really, thank you. Yeah, I can't say that enough. It's so appreciated to get LER to where it is today. And I'm looking forward so much to the future. Where's it going to go? We will see. I hope you enjoyed watching all those videos as much as I enjoyed making all those videos. And I'll see you all soon on another one. Ciao, guys.